In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Squarespace templates in just 5 minutes. This concise guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a professional and visually appealing website using Squarespace. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the official Squarespace website. It's the perfect starting point, as it houses all the tools and resources you'll need to design and personalize your site. Once you're there, the next step is choosing a template that aligns with your vision or brand image. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully crafted templates tailored for different purposes, whether it's a photography portfolio, a business site, or a personal blog. Be sure to take your time exploring these options to find one that resonates with you. After selecting a template, it's time to dive into customizing your site's styles to reflect your brand's unique personality. This involves adjusting fonts, colors, and other stylistic elements across your site to create a consistent look and feel. The platform provides an intuitive interface that makes it straightforward to tweak these settings until they're just right. Don't rush this part. Attention to detail will pay off in the long run. Next, you'll want to add and arrange sections to organize your content effectively. Squarespace allows you to mix and match different sections, such as image galleries, text blocks, and social media integrations, to bring your vision to life. Think of this as building the blueprint of your site. It's crucial to arrange sections in a way that guides the viewer smoothly through your content. Creating custom layouts comes next, offering you creative freedom to shape each page's structure. You can customize layouts by resizing blocks, adjusting spacings, and playing around with different layouts for each subsection. This step empowers you to craft a unique browsing experience tailored to your audience. As you design, always keep responsiveness top of mind. Nowadays, visitors are likely to view your site from a variety of devices, including smartphones and tablets. Squarespace templates are designed to be responsive, automatically adapting to different screen sizes. However, it's always wise to preview your designs on various devices to ensure everything looks perfect, no matter where it's viewed. Maintaining your branding throughout the site is essential. This means ensuring that your logo, brand images, and messaging are consistent in style and tone across the board. Consistent branding helps create a cohesive experience and strengthens your site's impact. Balancing visuals and performance is another important consideration. While engaging images and dynamic content are great for capturing attention, it's crucial that they don't slow down your site's performance. Large files can lead to longer load times, which could deter potential viewers. Optimize images and elements as needed to ensure your site is swift and efficient. Lastly, test thoroughly before launching. Navigate through your site as a visitor would, checking for broken links, typos, or layout issues. Test different features and interactions to ensure everything functions seamlessly. Consider seeking a second opinion from a friend to catch anything you might have missed. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of designing Squarespace templates, all in under 5 minutes. 5.